Most people believe success comes from talent. Some think it's money, others blame luck. But one country has repeatedly proven that none of these are the real answer. Japan has survived devastating earthquakes, economic collapse, and the horrors of war. Yet today it stands among the world's most disciplined, innovative, and respected nations. Their greatest strength wasn't technology, it was mindset, and that mindset was built on timeless philosophies that still shape Japanese culture today. Today, you'll discover 5 Japanese principles that can quietly transform the way you think, work, and live. 1. Shugyo. Choose purposeful discomfort. Modern life teaches us to avoid discomfort. The moment we're bored, we reach for our phone. The moment we're tired, we quit. But Japanese philosophy teaches the opposite. Growth begins where comfort ends. Shugyo means deliberately embracing meaningful challenges, not to suffer, but to become stronger. Every difficult workout, every early morning, every distraction you resist, builds a version of yourself that comfort never could. Discipline isn't punishment, it's training. 2. Ikigai. Know why you wake up. The discipline without purpose eventually becomes exhaustion. That's where Ikigai comes in. It means your reason for waking up every morning. Your purpose doesn't have to change the world. It simply needs to give your life direction. When you know your why, ordinary routines become meaningful rituals. Purpose transforms effort into fulfillment. 3. Kodawari Kaizen. Chase excellence, not perfection. Japan is famous for its attention to detail. Whether it's a craftsman making sushi, an engineer building a car, or an artist painting a single brushstroke, every task deserves excellence. This philosophy is called Kodawari. But excellence doesn't happen overnight. It grows through another principle called Kaizen, the habit of becoming just 1% better every day. Small improvements may look insignificant today, but over months and years, they create extraordinary results. The strongest people aren't those who change everything overnight. They're the ones who refuse to stop improving. 4. Wabi-sabi and shikata ganai. Accept reality. One of the greatest reasons people stay stuck is the obsession with perfection. The Japanese embrace a philosophy called wabi-sabi, the beauty of imperfection. A cracked bowl repaired with gold becomes more valuable because of its history. The same is true for people. Your failures, your scars, your setbacks don't reduce your value. They shape it. And when life brings situations you cannot control, the Japanese simply say, shikata ganai. It cannot be helped, not as an excuse, but as wisdom. Stop wasting energy fighting reality. Use that energy to improve what you can control. 5. Danshari. Remove the noise. Today's biggest enemy isn't lack of opportunity, it's constant distraction. Too many notifications. Too much information. Too many unnecessary possessions. The Japanese philosophy of Danshari teaches one simple lesson. Let go of what no longer serves you. The less mental clutter you carry, the clearer your decisions become. Sometimes the fastest way to move forward is by removing what's holding you back. You don't need to master all 5 philosophies today. Choose just one. Practice it for the next 7 days. Real transformation never happens in a single moment. It happens through small actions repeated consistently, because discipline isn't loud, growth isn't dramatic, and greatness is rarely announced. It is built quietly. Welcome to Silent Authority. If this video gave you a new perspective, subscribe for more timeless wisdom on discipline, mindset, and self-mastery. We'll see you in the next one.